Hi all, welcome to Telugu IT Factory. Please share and subscribe our videos and channel. Question. My Docker is restarting frequently and how you troubleshoot this issue? What might be the reasons? Answer for this is: frequent restart issues in Docker containers can occur due to various reasons such as application crashes, misconfigurations, or resource constraints. To troubleshoot these issues, follow these steps. Check container logs. Inspect the logs of the problematic container to identify any error messages or application-specific issues. Docker logs container_id. Check container status. Use the docker ps command to see the status and restart count of the container. Docker ps ---- filter name equals container_name. Inspect the container. Use the docker inspect command to gather more information about the container, such as configuration and runtime data. Docker inspect container_id. Access the container shell. If the container is running, access the shell interactively to check the application state, configuration files, or logs stored within the container. Docker exec -it container_id/bin/bash. Some common reasons for frequent container restarts and their solutions include: application crashes. The application running inside the container may be crashing due to bugs, incorrect configuration, or other issues. Check the logs for error messages and address the underlying problem in the application code or configuration. Out-of-memory issues. The container might be running out of memory, causing the application to crash or the kernel to kill the container. Check the logs for memory-related errors, and either increase the memory limit for the container or optimize the application to use less memory. Misconfigured restart policy. The restart policy of a container might be set to always or unless stopped, causing it to restart continuously. Verify the restart policy and change it if necessary. Docker update -restart equals no container_id. Health check failures. If the container has a health check configured, it might be failing, causing Docker to restart the container. Inspect the health check configuration and ensure that the endpoint and interval settings are appropriate for your application. Resource limits. The container might be reaching other resource limits, such as CPU or I/O, causing the application to become unresponsive or crash. Monitor container resource usage with tools like Docker Stats or top and adjust the resource limits as needed. Dependency issues. The application may have dependencies on external services or resources, and their unavailability could cause the container to restart frequently. Check the logs for connection errors or timeouts and ensure that the required services and resources are available and accessible. By identifying the root cause of the frequent restart issue, you can apply the appropriate solution and prevent further disruptions to your Docker containers.